Hi, this is Brandy and I'm at Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my March I Am Alchemy box. Really pretty teal box today. Let's check her out. I absolutely love the inside of this box. It's really beautiful. Ooh, it says the Call of the Sea ocean theme boxes are my favorite. Oh, the Selkie. Oh, so much fancy. Oh, wow. Four of Cups. This is like a mermaid tarot deck. Cool, cool. A little shell with beautiful Caribbean sea colored tissue. Oh my god! It's so... I see like something mermaidy. I just love this box. This is my one. It's quickly becoming one of my favorites. Ooh, Tranquility. Crystal infused tea. I love her containers. They're amazing because they're really iridescent and pretty. Alright, let's... Okay. Ooh. Pretty little sticker here. This... Oh, I love blue glass. I love blue glass. I don't even know what's in it, and I love this jar. Sacred Salt infused with ammonite gem essence. Let's get to... Yum. Look at this blue glass. It is heavy. Wow, I love it. Okay, this one doesn't usually have dealy bobs. This bag is really, really pretty. Oh my god. Oh my goodness gracious. Wow. That is so beautiful. Wow. Wow. I love it. I love all these. I keep all these. I collect them. I love these bags. And here's another one. So cool. Oh my god. Oh. Wow. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Herbal incense. And put that in the shell. Oh, I love driftwood. Smooth, pretty. Maldon sea salt. Yum. Oh, here's our soap. Soap of the month. Sea Priestess. Wow. With ammonite, gem essence, blend of essential oils, detergent-free coconut milk, soap base, pure seawater, pearl powder, kelp powder, jasmine buds. Beautiful. Lovely, lovely, lovely. I'll put it there so you can see it. What have we here? Another pretty sticker. Sea themed boxes. Oh, beautiful. It's a candle. I love these beeswax candles. I mean, I got a little cauldron not that long ago that I've been burning them in because it's tiny and it works really well. Well, I got it in my magical earth box, I think, for Scorpio. But before that, I just kept getting more and more because I didn't really use them very often. Oh no, I wasn't fragile enough. Oh, I broke it. I'm sorry. Dang it, I'm terrible at this. Dang, I'm so mad at myself. Oh my god. There's little pieces of it. Oh, if you open yours, please be careful. But it's beautiful. It's a little sand dollar. And a beautiful candle. Lord. It's still really pretty. And I got one of those recently too, so I'm not super upset with myself. But I heard it go And here's the little pieces of it. Oh, bless you. I'm sorry. I'm ham-handed when it comes to unwrapping these dang things. Okay, so here's a recipe for seawater, which we already talked about. This is Sea Magic Wishing Spell and some information about Selkies. She always writes a nice, beautiful little blurb. This is Natalie. Natalie makes this box, and she makes a really, really good box, and she runs a good business, so check it out. I'll leave the information below, as always. Here's what I'm looking for. Okay, Crystal Cluster is what I get. It's the bigger box. She has a Crystal's Point, which is a beautiful little box. I'll leave the price information because I get so many I don't remember them right off the top of my head, and I don't want to tell you wrong. But she has a Crystal Point, which is small, and it usually comes with like a stone, a soap, and some other, like 1 or 2 other little tiny goodies. And this is the Crystal Cluster, which is around, I want to say $47, but don't quote me. I'm going to put it in the information box. And it comes with all of this. It comes with lots of stuff. So basically, Sea Priestess Gem Infused Soap, right here. Made with essential oil blend, natural crushed sea pearl powder, and sea kelp powder to bring the sea directly to your bath shower or while making your skin glow. Tea of the month is Tranquility. It's a gem-infused tea for moments of peace and tranquility, relaxation, and meditation. Ingredients include rose, lotus, jasmine, lemon balm, chamomile, passion flower, lavender. A driftwood collected from the beaches of the Pacific Ocean. Perfect for your sea altar, ritual item, or to craft a wand. Wonderful. I love that. Abalone shell. Beautiful shell to adorn your altar, used in ritual meditation or crafting. Sea nymph candle. Anointed with essential oil blend and adorned with a specially blended bio glitter meant to emulate mermaid scales. And a delicate tiny sand dollar for your altar or place of honor and blessed under the full moon. I'm sorry, sand dollar. You're so beautiful, though. An ammonite amulet. Ammonite, yep. Blessed and infused with energy, it is believed to stimulate the flow of ki. It's Qi. I know I'm saying it completely wrong. Lord knows I say a lot of these words wrong, but bear with me. Life force through the body, and has, it's not chi, is it? It's not spelled right, I imagine. And has protective properties by transforming negative energies present and bring in more peace and harmony. Secret Salt. Gem infused and made with Dead Sea salt, jasmine, rosemary. I don't know, dulse flakes. And the essential oil blend. Sacred salt can be used for your altar and distilled water with sage essential oil as a smudge spray. There are a number of ways you can utilize your sacred salt. Maldon sea flakes infused with gem essence to make seawater for your altar. There's a recipe. Herbal incense. These herbs have been gem infused and blessed with ocean energy. It includes myrrh resin, rosemary, chamomile, red rose buds, jasmine buds, Selkie, mermaid, or undine. Which being has chosen you? Have fun getting to know. So there was 3 choices: Selkie, mermaid, or undine, and I got Selkie. Cool. Have fun getting to know the beautiful beings of the deep blue. And then a tarot reading from the 78 Tarot Nautical Tarot of the Water Deck. This limited edition was created by 78 of the top artists in the industry. Each card a visual masterpiece. Wow. Natalie, you do an amazing job every time. I'm always super pleased. I love this box, and this ocean is one of my favorite themes. Everything is really beautiful and high quality and well presented. I love this box. This is Am Alchemy. This is their Crystal Cluster. They have a smaller box called a Crystal Point. I'm going to leave the links below because this is an amazing box and I highly recommend it. Thanks so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.